Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming OTG support on your phone or tablet, check settings or the spec sheet. Next, choose a Type C OTG cable or adapter, prefer USB 3. One for faster transfers. Once selected, charge the device above 20% and unlock the screen so permissions appear. Plug the OTG end into your device first, then attach the peripheral. Do this to avoid negotiation errors. You'll notice a prompt when the peripheral is detected. Allow required permissions to proceed. Once the accessory is attached, open your Files app or a file manager to locate mounted external storage. It often appears as USB or OTG. If using a keyboard or mouse, test inputs in a note or search field. Chinese letter support is immediate. For cameras or audio interfaces, open the specific app and choose the external device in settings. If transfers stall, copy smaller batches and monitor transfer speeds. When done, use the unmount or eject option inside the app. To finish, understand power limits. If a peripheral draws significant current, connect via a powered USB hub so your device isn't overloaded. Once transfer is complete, unmount storage from the Files app and then disconnect the cable. If a peripheral isn't recognized, make sure your OS is up to date and try an alternate Type-C cable or port. Cables can be directional or charge only. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the host device after changing cables or hubs. That often resolves recognition glitches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.